Hello. In this section, we will look at modularizing code. Modularizing makes code easy to maintain and debug and enables the code to be reused. Let's look at the greatest common divisor program. We have this program early in chapter 5. It is to find the greatest common divisor between two integers. We can rewrite it using function to make the program reusable. So we put this GCD, this program, and that's now in a function. We put this GCD into the GCD function.py file. So this is the function for computing GCD. Now we're going to reuse it. So we reuse it by import the GCD function. We use a different syntax here. Now we're going to use this from GCD function, import GCD. Now, if you just say, I'm going to say import GCD here. If you write this now, so let's say if you just write import GCD function, you have to call this GCD function by using this GCD function dot GCD. Now, if you use from GCD function import GCD, and now you can use GCD without using this GCD function before it. So writing this function has several benefits. First, it isolates the problem for computing the GCD from the rest of the code in the program. Thus, the logic becomes clear and the program is easier to read. Any errors for computing the GCD are confined to the GCD function, which narrows the scope of debugging. The GCD function now can be reused by other programs. So let's look at another program here for the finding the prime numbers. We have this program in the early chapter to display the first 50 prime numbers. So now we're going to rewrite the program and creating several functions. So we're going to have these two functions now. Is prime, this function tests if this number is prime. And another function is print prime numbers. So this is, we're going to print this many prime numbers. So this is print prime numbers. And also we define a convenient main function. So this main function invokes print prime numbers, so 50 prime numbers. So this is print prime numbers. This function invokes is function is defined already here. And now invoke the main, so this will call the main function. The main function will call the print prime number function, and then print the prime numbers function we'll call the prime function. So we're going to put this into this one file, and so we can now print the first 50 prime numbers. This program divides a large problem into two subproblems. As a result, the new program is easier to read and easier to debug. Moreover, the functions print prime numbers and is prime can be reused by other programs. So when other programs use it, simply import this module prime number function. That is all for this section. Modularizing code